Welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to view shared media on Gmail chat using your PC. With the latest updates, accessing images, videos, and other media shared in your conversations is simpler than ever. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the familiar Gmail interface, ready to connect with others. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a grid of 9 dots next to your profile photo. This is the Google Apps menu. Click on that icon, and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select Chat. This will take you to the chat feature where all your conversations live. Now, check the left side menu in the chat window. You'll find options like Direct Messages and Group Chats. Click on Direct Messages to see a list of your one-on-one chats. This section will show you all the people you've recently chatted with directly. Once you've identified the person whose shared media you want to view, click on their name to enter the chat. This opens up the conversation window, where you can see all the messages exchanged. At the top of this chat window, there's a tab labeled Shared. Go ahead and click on that Shared section. This is where all the media files shared in your conversation are neatly organized. You'll find images, videos, and any other media that's been exchanged, making it easy to access what you need without scrolling through endless messages. If you see a file you'd like to view or download, simply click on it. It's a quick and efficient way to find important media without the hassle of searching through your chat history. To recap, to view shared media on Gmail chat, open gmail.com. Click the 9 dots next to your profile photo, select Chat, navigate to Direct Messages, enter the desired chat, and click on the Shared section at the top. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy chatting.